how to do the demonstration and how to use the fire extinguishers and what we have to do at time of fire. So that I'll tell you, sir. Because this fire, this one we have got long, like 3 hours, 4 hours it will take, but we can't waste your time. So we are just, I'll tell you the brief. At time of fire, what we have to do and we does not. Okay. So we can explain in English or Kannada, madam? English, no problem. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yeah. Sir, place is there, sir. Just one half an hour. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. सेक्रेटरी आप रहे हो? हाँ, हिंदी में बोलना, हिंदी में बोल Okay, madam, we'll start. Because there are 3 types of fire is there. One is water type, one is this one gas fire, and electrician fire. So we are given as a ABC. You can see, sir, ABC. You can see ABC type of fire. You can see, madam, ABC. It is all in your residence, I think. One fire extinguishers. So this is a multi-purpose fire extinguishers. Because what happened before, we used to, for warehouse, like packing section, for stores and all, what we used to do, we put one water type of fire extinguisher before it was coming. So because this fire department, they given an indication, A, B, C means, when we see A class, we should not use for electric and oil fires, because it was a water type. B stands for oil fires, C, electrical fires. Now we have got a multi-purpose powder, A, B, C, you can use for all 3 fires. And water should not use for oil and gas fires and electrical fires. Because what will happen when we use the electrical fires, when we throw water, you will get a short circuit. So we should not throw water. And when we put, for oil fires, when we put water, what will happen? It will become a more fire. Because water is heavier than the oil. So all the substance will come on top and there will be more fire. So we have to use only the sand or blanket type of fire. We used to take some blankets. Suppose in the house there is a fire, oil fire, we have to take some blankets or this one gunny bag, everything, a foot mat also. Just we have to throw it on that. When we throw it on that, it will extinguish the fire. I'll show you that fire now for water. Okay. I'll show you in that, no problem. So for oil and electrical fire, we should not use water. Water is used only for A class fire. That means wood, papers, and for garments and for sofa sets, for only for that one we have to use water. Because of that confusion only, now we have got a multi-purpose A, B, C. For water type fire, like wood, papers you can use. B means oil fire. C stands for electrical fire. For 3 you can use this fire type of fire extinguisher. Okay, sir.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈರ್ ಹಾಕೋದು
fire now.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಾರೆಲ್ಲ
Okay,
ಇದೆ.
sir, can you understand? So A class means
ರಾಕೇಶ್
water type of fire, that is called for
Rakesh.
wood and papers. B stands for oil fires. C
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
means
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕು.
electrical fires. For 3 we can use this type of fire extinguishers. Okay, sir. And second thing,
ಉದರ್
when there is any fire in like this high-rise buildings or any apartments, please don't use the lift, because what will happen, you have got a fire alarm system. So any fire takes place in your this one place, immediately please come out, and there is a fire alarm switch, break the glass, there will be a hooters. When you get that hooter sound, please in your apartment there is no fire, please come out and come through the staircases. Please, you should not use lift. What will happen, as soon as when they hear this fire alarm, so this electrician, you will go and switch off the mains panel board. When you switch off the panel board, your lift will stop, because there will be no air circulation. In that, many people have died. And second thing, we should not come to the basement. Only on the ground floor we have to stand near the security room. And some people, they'll run on top and they'll fall from there. So it is all panic. Just come out. There are 2 staircases there, emergency staircase. You can divide it and come through the main exit. Some people should come through emergency exit. Please come and assemble here in this one. Please don't go back again to take some belongings, because anything may take place. And second thing, even some people, they'll not switch off the regulator. That gas fire is very, very dangerous. Please, when you go outside anywhere else, please switch off the regulator. See that everything, windows has been closed and you can go. Suppose when you come from there, when you enter the house, when you have that gas smell, because this LPG gas I gone for training to HPCL and all, this is only a liquid petroleum gas and it's mixed with the metallic glass. Because you have to find out the smell when the leakage is there. Because of the smell, they'll mix that metallic gas. So what will happen, when you have any smell, please open your windows. You should not on the fan. You should not on even a mobile torch. You know where is the kitchen. Please see that regulator is off, switches are off. Then open all the windows and please come and stand outside and tell your maintenance people, they'll come and take the care. Because when we put the switch, when we on the mobile, slight spark comes, there will be a fire. Because smoke is lighter than the air. When there is any fire is there, smoke will be lighter than the air on the top. But whereas LPG is heavier than the air, it will settle down. We will not able to see only by the smell. So what will happen when it is settle this LPG on the ground, will not come to know. When we light the lighter or anything, when we put the switch, only one burst, we'll get one blast, that's all. So when we open the window, slowly all the airs will enter and slowly it comes out through the air and it vanishes. Okay, sir. And please don't use even for gas fires also water. Any gas fires, oil fires is there. Like example, I'll tell you, one lady has come from America in Bomsandra. You may be knowing in the paper some 2 years back. They have gone to Bomsandra to the flat. She doesn't know what happened there. She has opened their sister-in-law has opened this one gas. She has not lighted. She told we'll have a coffee. She has lighted and it was blast because all this gas has settled down. She doesn't know. They are just down. They have come from the airport and immediately there was a fire. So this LPG is very, very dangerous than anything else. Okay, so after cooking, please check up the gas once again. See that it's been regulator is been off and all the gas will be served. Okay, sir. That is gas fire. And suppose there is any fire is there in your flat, immediately use the fire extinguishers, break the gas. Please do not use the lift because you have to use only the staircase. And suppose sometime these maintenance people, they take servicing for this fire alarm, then it will be switched off. When you don't hear that fire alarm, please shout fire, fire, fire. Then you call your maintenance people or any person is there, just alert it and bang all the doors. Please, whoever hear that fire, come out and stand in the safe assembly points. Okay, sir. We should not get any panic going on the top, running around, falling. Okay. Because many people, they'll get panic, they'll go on top and they'll jump from there. You have seen in Carlton Towers, no? Same thing, there was an accident. Okay, sir. So you are having the extinguishers in each flat. Inside the flat, you can use this maximum fire extinguisher. When you can't use and that, when the fire is not executed, please throw that extinguisher. Please come through the steps and stand near the gate. And inform to the fire department. The security people are there in your apartments. They'll take care, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. And remember not to use the lift at time of fire when you get the fire alarm, and you have to use only the staircase. Okay. This is very, very important. And for oil fires and electrical, please don't use the water. I'll show you the now demonstration how it will happen. And second thing, only for electrical and for oil, we have to use the sand or we have to do some blanket type of fire. We have to take some rugs, everything, switch off the mains, and we have to hit on that. So that the carbon dioxide comes and it extinguishes to stop the oxygen. Because for fire we require three groups. One is oil. One is, that means oil means heat. This one papers, wood, all called as a oil substance. Second, oxygen, and third is heat. That is what they have put the triangle here. A plus, B plus. They have put the triangle here. Because these three composition is that there will be a fire. So one we should keep out is heat. Any lighted candles, current goes. Nowadays everybody is having UPS, but suppose current goes, UPS fill, they'll light the candle. See that it should be on the tabled on the this one on a metal piece. Where some people they'll keep it on the fridge, on table, and there was accidentally taken place in some residency. Because the candle get over, they'll be seeing TV or anything, mobile or anything, it will get emptied and it will also catch the fire. Okay, sir. So the naked flames you should not. And I'll show you, because when any fire takes place, please don't come to the basement from the ground floor. Here you don't have the basement. You can come to the ground floor and stand over here. Because we are going for Mantri Mall and all, everything, there is a basement. Some people will take the vehicle and go, they'll come to the basement, and in basement full smoke will be surrounded. Because smoke only it kills the, not the fire. It kills the person is only the smoke, because there is a toxic gases in the smoke. We can't breathe, and in that they'll get the panic.
They'll become unconscious. And
Suppose you are stuck in this one smoke, please kneel down. There will be some oxygen. When any water is there, take it on your kerchief or banyan or shirt. You can put it on the nose. You will get some oxygen. Because many people they escape from the smoke. Because smoke is later than the air, it will be on the top. Below you will get some oxygen. Just we can come like a kneel down and we can come out. You will get some oxygen. Okay, sir. So that is called evacuation drill. And second thing, you are all understand now. You should not use lift. And this one I'll show some exercise for security. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಪಾಪ ಹಾಂ
They cannot kneel down, they can go.
Second thing, see, suppose this fellow is a thin fellow. What will happen while he is very urgent? He should go. When he falls down, we can't leave him, no? How to bring him? There is the exercise, I'll show you. आओ भाई, तुम आओ, तुम भी आ जाओ. See, this is the stool number 1. आपको मालूम हो गया ना? ऐसा पकड़ो. हाँ, ओके, तुम आ जाओ. ऐसा गेट सा पकड़ो. इधर लेफ्ट हैंड दे रहा है. ऐसा नहीं. हाँ, पकड़ो. नीचे बैठो. You come this side now. हाँ, बैठो. See, he's got fractured leg, so we have to this one seat. हाँ, उठाओ. For thin people this is. So you can go from this place. जा रहे हैं? हाँ.
Gate पर छोड़ दो.
हाँ. Enough. So that is called one seat, sir. So that we can bring it from the floor easily. Suppose the thin person is there, he has got a fracture, or suppose he has got leg problem, he could not come down. So we can bring it from there. आ जाओ. Say, आ जाओ भाई. हाँ. Suppose, madam, he is like this fat, like these fellows. We can't bring it in one side because it will slip. Our bone only will break. We'll get the fracture. So what we have to do that is called 4 seat. आजा. ऐसा पकड़ो भाई. क्यों आप डरता है? फायर होने का कैसा रहना सिक्योरिटी तो? हाँ. आ जाओ भाई. तुम आ जाओ. ऐसा पकड़ो. हाँ. तुम पकड़ो. हाँ. डरना मत. नीचे बैठो. यार तुम्हें नहीं, तुम्हें मोटा है. तुम्हें इधर एक पाँव डालो. हाँ. डालो उधर. तो स्लीपर सब नहीं, वो अर्जेंट में नहीं लेना स्लीपर सब. आप ऐसा पाँव डालो. हाँ. इधर एक पाँव डालो. हाँ. बैठो ऐसा. हाँ. उठाओ. हाँ. जाओ. आजा. हाँ. This is called 4 seats, sir. Because the fat guys know they can sit and they can bring from the floor wise. So for fatty people, suppose this fellow is there, what will happen? Some people they'll get panic. Oh, fire! They'll fall down. Malkol, yen agodilla. Malkol, clean agide. Malkon bido. Malkon bido. See, he has slept off because he's got panic because of the smoke or something it has happened. He's unconscious. So we can't leave him. He will become a roast. So what will happen? ऐसा हाथ पकड़ो नीचे. Because we don't get the structure immediately. Because ambulance it will take some half an hour. So we can bring him. It's like a structure जा रहे हैं. नहीं तुम्हारे. तुम ये ऐसा करो भाई. तुम क्या नींद? ऐसा no. अंदर आओ. टर्न करो.
Reverse.
नीचे पकड़ रहे तुम हाथ है. नीचे. इस तरफ पाँव उठाओ. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर. उठाओ. जाओ. भागो. भाग मत. Because when we don't get this structure,
unconscious.
So So, because he is unconscious, we can give him some first aid coming down from the gate. Huh? मालूम हो गया ना? ऐसा आदमी को लेकर आना. Suppose because some old people will come, more than 65 or 70 years. So what? All.
Here
So
all.
for them we can't bring them. So we have to bring them like a child. कैसा तुम गोद में ऐसा पकड़ो ऐसा उठाओ रे लड़की ऐसा नहीं ऐसा उठाता ऐसा बच्चे का ऐसा नहीं ऐसा ये पापा ऐसा पकड़ ऐसा उठाओ भाई
मगो
ऐसा उठाओ पकड़ उठाओ जाओ for old people more than 65 70 years because whatever will happen when we bring like this seat and all they'll get fear so because of that they'll have that one they leave all the fear we can have them and bring like a child and we can give them the treat okay and baad mein pregnant ladies are very very important because some 8 months 9 months pregnant ladies are there we can't because they'll come slow meanwhile there'll be more fire for that also there is the exercise okay.
But here not required.
See, hey, hey, wait, madam. Sir, you see, this fellow is 8 months, 6 months in his stomach. You can see. So he is not able to walk. He is the lady. So, don't touch it. Right. Go. So that the stomach also will be safe, and even she will also will be safe because she will come slow, no? Enough. For pregnant ladies, madam, because I am showing for even for garments, some 8 months, 9 months, ladies also nowadays they are coming for some difficult we doesn't know. So they'll be walking like the time of fire. So immediate any chance, let them have it. They'll be cured immediately when they have anything, water, everything. So they don't get panic. No, they can't come fast from the staircase. So this all fire department norms only. Because I've taken training in fire department. That is what I'm showing you. These norms nobody will not show because this is the main important. Because how to bring a person? We can't just leave them on the bed. Okay, sir. And so these all fire norms. And suppose there is any fire, you are got stuck in this one, in the smoke. How to come? ಹೆಂಗ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಹೋಗು ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗು ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನೌ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಇಸ್ it will be on the higher side only, on top only every time. It is lighter than the air. LPG is heavier than the air. That is what it is down. Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So for smoke, when we get stuck in the smoke, we can come like this. And you have got all the facilities in your flat like fire hydrant system for huge fire because fire department they'll take at least in this traffic some 20 to 30 minutes I think so. They are in airport one department is in Yelahanka. So they have to come all the way from Yelahanka means it takes 15-20 minutes. 15-20 minutes these people are there. They are trained. They'll use this fire hydrant system. Because the pressure is 10 kg, so you will go more than 8 floors. When the fire department comes, you have seen that fire department's inlets, 2 walls are there. They'll put that hose and they'll fight only from our walls, not from the truck. Because that is what in hydrant line is there, full. Walls is there and sprinkler is there. Suppose anybody pass the car, suppose the battery will be heated, battery burst, car catches the fire, immediately it extinguishes the fire. Okay, sir. So all the firefighting system is there. You not only at time of fire, please don't get panic. You should not use this one lift and only the staircase. And for oil fires, please don't use any this one water, sir, because it will become a more fire for gas and oil fires. I'll show you how it will become. So we are all. Which one, sir? Only for cigarettes, not for the flats. No. What they say? See, some people they'll ask, now I want to have the alcohol. I want to put fire. Let him put what they do. Because alcohol immediately catch the fire. So there, just one Balaji Swiss was there. That lady, spark was coming lightly. The bottles was going. She doesn't know. So she got scared and she left the bottle. It has fallen on that. Just for small, for huge factory was bought. 95, we are all working. So many fires are there, sir. We can't tell. So we have to be very careful with the fire. When fire is not there, we don't get it. Put for one week and same thing back. Just 3 minutes, it will get burnt out. Just 3 seconds. Sir, you can see, ಇದು ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ. Sir, first I'll show the oil first. एक mat देखा जाओ. एक mat है क्या?
ಸರ್
वो mat है तो देखा. Just oil first. Okay. They have written only BC, not for A, because this is a gas. Only we are using for electricity like panel boards, because panel boards and this one UPS room, and for computers. Because what will happen when you use this ABC type, the powder will be dust formation. Some equipments will be spoiled. Only the burning, not only the burning part, others also will get spoiled. To avoid this one, we have kept in panel boards and all, DG room and all, CO2. Because this gas, only the gas formation, and only the burning part will be destroyed, other parts you can use it. This is called carbon dioxide. So they have put only B and oil and electrical fires only. For A class we can use it, but what will happen on blanket type of, it will get off. When the oxygen comes, it is a solid fire, like wood and papers and all. Again it may catch. So to avoid all this, we are putting water type. Okay sir, we are putting. So this is the ABC and CO2 you have got, that's all. And one more is the A and B foam that is used for petrol bunks and all. You can see A and B. That is because for oil and A class fire like wood and papers you can use it, but not for electrical. Because that foam, it will sit on the oil and immediately it will convert into carbon dioxide and it will extinguish the fire. That is called foam type of fire. That doesn't have, because they got this BC, no, CO2. लेकर या भाई पानी. इधर डालो fire. Here table ले. So and I've seen the type of fire extinguishers, no madam. ABC means for multi-purpose, BC is for electrical, and this one oil fire. जरा हुशार. क्या यार? नीचे रख के ले करते बोला. ओ पाँव में गिरता ना, फ्रैक्चर हो जाता. इधर रखो. अभी उधर से रखो. पेट्रोल ले लो. ये उठा डालो. डालो. डालो भाई. और ऑयल फाइल और डालो पड़ा नहीं. हाँ बस.
దగ్గర అవుతుంది
वो पेट्रोल है
పెట్రోల్
दूर से लगो. पेट्रोल है.
ध्यान से.
डालो. हाँ हाँ पानी ले लो. ले.
బకెట్
See, first we have to see which side the air is there, sir. Because the wind is this side, so opposite direction we have to use it. See, like that. See, I'll throw the water. See, how it will get spread. So we should not use water. So come on, sand डालो भाई. हाँ, अभी water डालिया, बहुत fire हो गया. हाँ, sand डालो. ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा पकड़ना, हैंडल है, पकड़ो. हाँ, इधर से डालो. So it extinguish the fire on the sand. Suppose when you have, because they don't have the mat, otherwise I have showed foot mat also. Just when you hit it on the foot mat, oxygen will stop. One thing we have to stop, heat or oxygen. So we have stopped the oxygen. Got the extinguish the fire. Okay, वो clean कर डालो. नीचे डालो. हाँ, उसको ऊपर डालो. पंप पानी. हाँ, अभी डालो. पेट्रोल डालो. इधर है. This is called A class fire. Sir, for bigger one, you have got a safety pin here. Just you have to remove the safety pin. It will come out. Just pull the safety pin and just you have to press it. This is called 6 kgs. We'll use 2 kgs. Which you have. Here also there will be a safety pin, madam. There is. Just you have to pull it. I show you, no? Because this is the safety pin. Huh? When you can't pull this one safety.
ఓకే
Just you have to. So, yeah. There is a safety pin. You have seen, no? That yellow color. Break that one. See, this is the one. There will be a tag thing. Just you can open. Just pull it, pull the right. Will come out, madam. And this is the safety pin. Because this safety pin is very, very important. Because why no? Some people they'll be talking and they'll just punch it off. It will get empty. So we have to remove this safety pin. You can see, sir. Yeah, no, ma. I'm not got any safety pin in there. Actually, you have to remove the pin. I'll show you. No, not this.
Come out like this.
No, this will come out. See, it's already it has come.
You
You can pull it, sir.
Panic situation.
Yeah, panic, it will come out. No greasing, see.
Using the put on the pin. So easy to pull it out.
No, it's not, but just we have to open it. Like it is for computer it will come tag, no? Same this one.
I tried the other day, it didn't work out.
No, just we have to pull it hard.
That's what I'm saying, exactly what I'm saying.
We take out the yellow and throw it and keep only the pin.
Yeah, because no problem. Because when the pin comes out, somebody when they press it, it will get accidentally it will get.
To take out that tag will be difficult but hard. So let us take it out.
Okay, sir.
I think put a greasing or something.
No,
Easier.
greasing.
Periodical. You said can pull it out. Come out easily.
Yeah. Only greasing will done only for the hydrant walls and hose seal drum, not for extinguisher. Extinguishers we are doing it here.
On
Plunging.
the pin. On the pin.
No,
on top.
pin because it will get this one.
It can get rusted over period.
No, it will come out when it is rusted. It will come out.
Not in panic situation.
No.
సో రస్ట్ ఫ్రీ పిన్ సార్ అది అండ్ ఇట్ కెనాట్ రస్ట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్
Hopefully,
ఎస్
when the fire doesn't know.
அது ஒன்றாவது நீங்கள் இப்படி பிடிங்கிட்டுனா வந்துடும் அவ்வளோ சார் somebody should operate. Even ladies also will operate it. Only 2 things. You can have it, sir.
அழுத்தாதீங்க
Yeah, and press it. Wait. You put fire.
கொஞ்சம் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்க
Sir, pin போட்டுருங்க. नहीं यार इधर से बताओ वो क्या भी नहीं इधर से बताओ पेट्रोल डाल दिया
और चाहिए पेट्रोल.
just come sir see this is a fire madam so ikkada pannama so the wind is from this side so whichever the air is this side you have to do from opposite direction come sir yeah just remove the safety pin press it
ஸ்லோலி
press
அவ்வளோதான் போர் ஓரும்
That's what I'm saying. Port will go to those people, yeah.
and second
You have to-
this is the sodium bicarbonate powder because you are working 40 years no powder goes inside it will come in the form of sneezing that's all and nothing will happen okay ಯಾವುದು ಅದು ಪೌಡರ್ ಇದು ಪೌಡರ್
ಸೋಡಾ ಆಶ್ ಪೌಡರ್
ಇವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೌಡರ್
ಸೋಡಾ ಆಶ್
सर सीनियर सिटीजन पेंडेंट कहाँ से कौन आएगा सर आप दूसरी बार वैसे हाथ लेके जाएंगे तो कितना मुश्किल होगा सर। बच्चे उधर ही हो जाएंगे सर।
Put
Petrol.
oil. ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್ ನೀರು
ಅಲ್ಲ actually ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನೋದು there is a problem. You put it, this is a history of mine. डालो इसमें डालो.
थोड़ा
और कुछ डालो. बस निकालो. डालो मैचेस दो. अब छोटा वाला.
remove the pins.
Just don't go near.
This,
दूर दूर
Little back.
yeah, you come this side, sir. The wind is this side.
but
yeah.
powder will
Come,
sir, far away you can still go. That's all. Very nice sir.
फिर भी इधर ही आ गए।
No, we have to take more. Again, once more we can use it now. Because after 10 minutes we get empty. Because that is the thing. You can see, sir, 5 minutes. You can see
I
that.
think I'll suggest one thing. Just one thing.
CO2 best
Just
will
one minute. You must tell people, at least the people who maintain the housekeeping.
Yeah.
What should be done in terms of making some putting Vaseline?
Yeah.
इधर
Those things are.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಲಿನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
don't say grease. I don't no. See, what about
ಸರ್ ತಗಿಲಿ ಸರ್
ऊपर डाला ऊपर डाला बस
ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಲಿನ್
नहीं उधर नहीं इधर ऊपर डालना बस
ಅರುಣ್ ಸರ್
अंते यू कैनॉट प्रेस
ಬಾಬು ಸರ್ ಇದು ತೆಗೀರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಜಾ ಬೈ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಟಾವ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಊಟ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಶೋ ದಿ CO2 ಟೈಪ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड
that is anti-clockwise, that is not pressing. Hey, इधर आ जाओ भाई, तुम इधर आ जाओ, बताओ. See, here we have got that this one pin. Here, so we have removed the safety pin, just anti-clockwise. We have to. This is not pressing type. Just we'll show it how it is. Open wall type.
इधर से नहीं डाल
Hey, इधर पकड़ना, हैंडल पकड़ो. नहीं तो आइस. Because what will happen now when we eat that one, it will come as a ice formation. It will stick in the handle. So that is what you are given the handle. Because in shooting and all, they'll show no, dancing and all, smoke type, all CO2 gases. They'll keep as a ice one. So it will come like a CO2. Yeah.
वेरी गुड
No, now it's off gas system, you can use it next time. But not that one, ABC. इंगे fill
सो इधर है वही सेफ्टी पिन ना कोई भी डाल सकता
So this is called as a cold burn. This is minus 350 bar.
ओह ओह वेरी नाइस
See how with that ice, it is become ice formation. Hey, वो लेकर जाओ. See how it is falling. CO2, carbon dioxide. See, you can see.
ऑन
Cool. Become an ice formation.
Yeah, ठंडा cool.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, can you please
Yeah.
show that once again?
which one, sir?
Foam.
This powder, huh? Okay, no problem. Still is there gas. अभी एक बता दो. अभी है ना वो 2 kg थे. पन्ना का वाला. ए वो 2 kg. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದು electric.
ಹಾಂ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದಾಲ್.
ओके
हाँ यस कोच वो खाली हो गया क्या हाँ खाली हो गया ले मैडम को दो ಪಿನ್ ಇಡುங்க ಮೇಡಮ್.
இதா
ಪಿನ್ ಎತ್ತುங்க ಜೋರ ಅಂಕುಲ ಹಂಗೆ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡುங்க. ಹುಷಾರ್ ಇದು
முடி நல்ல முடி
அங்கேயே இருந்தால் பண்ணுங்க.
வாங்க அந்த காத்து இந்த பக்கம் இருக்குது மேடம். எப்போ அந்த பக்கம் பண்ண என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா நம்ம மூஞ்சி கிடைக்கும். அதனால எப்போ ஆப்போசிட்
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
அது இருக்கும். அது நீங்கள் பிக்கினது அவ்வளோதான். தட் இஸ் ஃபார் சேஃப்டி. ஏன்னா பசங்க வந்தானே எடுத்துருவாங்க. ஓகே. Yeah, empty you can stop the powder. Because you can see because after some time the gas comes out. Then the needle will come to the red. Can you hear the sound? Gas is there still. No, CO2 we are sure no, sir. Just no. That is CO2. How much is cost to fill this?
This
They given the quotations from
this is powder type.
powder type.
That is CO2.
That is costing.
That is not for us.
No, only this one.
Yes.
No, so one
Sir.
No, for electrical room we should keep that one only.
how many times you can use it?
No, only once.
Only once.
Only once. The gas is coming out. Then it will come to the red. Again we have to take for refilling. Because they are given the control valve. Before and all there was a powder type, punching type. Old one. When we punch once for all, the powder will come out. There was no control. Now they are given a control valve. So they are asking how much for refilling this one.
It costs about 450 plus taxes.
Who will do that? Refilling?
No, we'll do it.
We'll do it.
They will do and Huawei Care will pay. No problem.
We are putting it to labor.
They'll charge to you. They'll charge to you.
MMC will increase. That's
Even nobody should try at home now.
And I think generally nobody is going to try it. Only people, some people, like 99%, nobody is going to touch it. If red means
Mama.
only some people. Only a very
They want to remove this.
yes.
There is no loss of pressure because nobody uses in 1 year.
No. Sometimes because if it exposed to the sun, then it is going to come out. If it keep it inside, generally it won't get, sir. In
1 year, 2 years.
only 2 years, generally you
We
get 2
will
years.
have this removed and thrown away.
Yes.
So that is okay.
Yes.
Time of emergency.
Because very difficult to open that.
No, nothing is going to happen. Nothing.
As long as
one more demonstration. One more demonstration.
Fire alarm ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Okay.
जाओ भाई सामने जाओ कुछ भी नहीं आता उसका चिमने पानी डाल यार. हाँ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಪಿನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಸಾಕು.
ಸರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಇತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಓಕೆ. ಆಫ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಲಿವರ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾಲಿ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. 6 kg ಇದೆ 2 kg. ಸರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫೈರ್ಗೆ